Alright, so when you measure the ankle, make sure that you try to push it down a little to see if it's going to cross here. It's going to be easy to remove the trouser. Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to show you how to measure a plain trouser the professional way. Alright, so these are the things I'm going to be measuring. That's the waist, the laps, the knee, the ankle, and of course the length. Alright, so first of all, starting with the stomach. That's starting from the waist rather, which is usually at your navel point. Now, you notice that while crossing your tape, you make sure that your hand fits in. You understand? Make sure that your hand fits in. Now, measuring it this way is wrong. Measuring it this way is wrong. So, from what you are seeing right here, you notice that the perfect waist measurement is 31. It has to be a little bit free on the waist, and then your hand should fit in. Now, moving on to the hips measurement. Now, the hips is usually at the pocket side where the side pocket is located. So measuring the hips measurement using the same formula, I make sure that it's free at the hips so that while sitting down it is not going to be so tight. Now this is the laps measurement, which is very important. This is very wrong. It is too tight and very uncomfortable if you use that measurement. Now, judging from what I am doing right here, you see that you have to fit in your hand very well. Make sure that your hand fits in and there is enough space. Let there be enough space. Now this, like I said, is wrong. This, like I said, is wrong. This is too tight and it is not going to fit. So from this measurement, the laps is 21. And then while measuring the knee, make sure tell the client to bend his or her knee just to make sure that it is going to be free at the knee area. You understand? So once you do it that way, you are going to get the perfect knee measurement, which is for this guy it is 16. So this is the most important or tricky part while measuring the ankle. Alright, so when you measure the ankle, make sure that you try to push it down a little to see if it's going to cross here. It's going to be easy to remove the trouser. Hope you understand. Now, when measuring the ankle, try to pull it out and see if it is going to come out easily. You understand? So from this video, you can see that for it to come out if freely, it is going to be at 14 inches. Alright, so now the last but not the least is, of course, the length measurement for this guy. Now this one is solely dependent on the client that you're measuring. You understand? So thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.